If you've ever wondered how flavored vodka is actually made, and why some homemade vodkas taste smooth, while others are harsh and unpleasant, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to make green apple flavored vodka, also known as Granny Smith vodka, at home. This tutorial is designed especially for complete beginners. Before we begin, a quick and very important note. This video is for educational purposes only. Alcohol consumption is restricted to legal age adults only, and it should always be done responsibly. Laws regarding alcohol distillation vary from country to country, so please make sure you understand and follow the regulations where you live. The goal of this channel is education, quality, and safety, not encouraging excessive drinking. Welcome to the Shon's Homemade Drinks. Here, we focus on teaching how to make different alcoholic beverages at home in a clear, safe, and beginner-friendly way. On this channel, you'll find tutorials for vodka, whiskey, brandy, wine, beer, and many other recipes. If this kind of content interests you, consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos. There are two main ways to flavor vodka. The first method uses high-quality, food-grade oil-based flavoring. This approach is faster, easier to control, and ideal for beginners who want predictable results. The second method uses natural ingredients. This method takes more time, but it produces a more natural aroma and flavor. It also usually requires an additional distillation step, which helps further purify the vodka and improve overall quality. Both methods can produce excellent results when done correctly. For both methods, it is very important to start with high-proof vodka, ideally at least 60% alcohol by volume. High-proof alcohol extracts flavors more efficiently and reduces the risk of unwanted fermentation or spoilage. We always flavor the vodka at a higher strength and dilute it to drinking strength only at the final stage. To begin, you need a clean, neutral base, vodka. On this channel, I already have detailed tutorials showing how to ferment sugar wash and how to distill vodka properly. Those videos are linked in the description below. In short, the process involves fermenting sugar, performing a first distillation, and collecting the output down to about 20% alcohol. After that, the collected alcohol is diluted with an equal amount of water and distilled a second time to improve purity and smoothness. During the second distillation, it's very important to collect the alcohol in small containers. The early part of the run contains lighter, harsher alcohols, while the very end contains heavier compounds that negatively affect taste. What we want is the clean, smooth middle portion, often called the hearts. Some of the low-proof alcohol collected at the end should be set aside. We'll use it later for dilution instead of wasting it. When it comes to natural flavoring, some fruits have a very mild aroma and taste, which means that natural infusion alone does not produce a strong or satisfying result unless a very large quantity of fruit is used. Because of this limitation, the most effective and practical method is using food-grade flavor essences. Green apple is a perfect example of this case, as its natural aroma is relatively subtle, and the best way to achieve a distinct and consistent green apple flavor is by using a high-quality food-grade essence. First, measure the alcohol strength of your collected vodka using an alcohol meter. Then calculate how much water you'll need to reach a final strength of 40% alcohol. For each liter of final vodka, add approximately 7 to 10 drops of high-quality, food-grade oil-based green apple flavoring. Seal the container and shake it vigorously for about 3 to 4 minutes to ensure the flavor is fully dissolved. Next, add 10 grams of sugar per liter. This small amount helps round out the flavor and soften the alcohol. Shake again until the sugar is completely dissolved. Finally, dilute the vodka to 40% using clean water and some of the lower proof alcohol you set aside earlier. Let the vodka rest for 7 to 10 days in a container with a slightly loose lid to allow gases to escape and flavors to stabilize. After resting, your green apple flavored vodka is ready to enjoy. The result should be smooth, aromatic, and well balanced. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Upcoming videos will cover other fruit flavors, herbal infusions, and full guides for whiskey, brandy, wine, and beer. Links to the equipment and tools used in this video are available in the description, including Amazon product links. Thank you for watching, and enjoy responsibly.